Joan of Arc here in Breakfast Talk again with Wency and Holger. So, ano na ito ganito itong order?
Plain rice or margarine?
Garlic rice.
Coffee naman.
Kape, palio.
Si kape pali.
Coffee, please.
Coffee.
Paliho. Paliho.
Please.
So those are the little words that you say when ordering at a restaurant. So what are we going to talk about? Wency made a painting, this picture of two fighting cocks. So in Ilonggo, it's the cockfight is called bulang. You have to learn. Or sabong in Tagalog, bulang in Ilonggo. That's a cockfight. And the roosters, the fighting cocks are called manok. Pasampok, manok. Going against each other. So sampok. Pasampok, manok. Feels right. How do you feel about cockfighting?
Too big. Too big.
Oh, that's too big. What have you learned so far? Okay. I'll try if you can carry a conversation with Wency. And let's discuss some of the words.
Not now. Indesable.
Oh, indisable. Okay.
Kumusta?
Okay lang.
Okay lang?
Yeah.
Mabuti.
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 Beauty.
Kakaon na niya.
Isda. Pangus. And Langgonisa. Chorizo.
Chorizo and longganisa are the same. Longganisa for the Tagalog. Chorizo for Ilonggo.
Ano siya?
That's oil. This is sanari oil. Good for your allergies.
Allergy ko ba? Nan-allergy ka?
Boredom.
Yung word mo lang sa permimis, di mo sabi English yun.
Amo ka na pailonggo. We were talking about the word hulam, which is borrowed. So when you ask, pwede ka hulam ball pen? Because you wanted to borrow a pen.
Pwede ka ballpen.
Galing wala ko di ballpen.
Ball pen ka?
Pwede ka wala. Walang pera.
Or gusto mo? 5 piso lang. 7, complete mo lang downtown.
Shin pesos.
Wala ko di shin.
That's a conversation already.
Nice.
Um,
Mayo.
Salamat para wala. Thank you for nothing.
Wala lang.
Wala lang. Wala kaso.
Wala ka. So, natuon ka man. Your learn.
Totoo. This is Joan of Arc and another Breakfast Talk. So see you again next time. Bye.
Di ba may heart na rin?
Bye.